China has access. Just say our control. It means that the destiny of Ghana has been what given to China.
Because for the first time in the history of this country, China will access to Ghana Consolidated Fund. Finance minister catch on sabina me kan sameboa. Sikebi e kwato Ghana, the account kakrakana, aban account kese ba kuna, sikebi e akogum no. China e will access. Ti sikene kwotoma onim twon na ohwe ne de. Waji ECG. Say China nyaji ECG ewie. Wo monam no mu take inventory. Se wuni ma me ka kire mo.
O say oyema show Ghana ye mobo. Ye mobo say Nyankopon kra say osungu Ghana so. I'm telling you. Dem bia me say the independence that Ghana had was the most stupid thing we ever did. I'm telling you. Independence ni. Wo bia wanya independence since 1957 no wako IMF 18 times. 18 times so be 3 years. Multiply 3 by 18. Not to feel independence of Ghana. Nabisa say when did we have independence? Said ya Ghana ye jimia ye boy bread ye. E kan ye be you. E kan ye be dinner. Because only ye be the phone call Brobosiana. Omu consume omu this can no. Omu call the presidency. I'm telling you. The budget of the presidency is untouchable. Answer no kababa minister. And answer kababa president. Now you be a what bomb bread do baby. Si same person me boa me mai. But Ghana dey there bio. Obi fi university or some politics. Or more bra or some politics. Because we say on your sika no. Anything that make us a new force. On one bra. Wa bobra brutal. Wa bobra brutal. Yam pedi for mabedi anim no more bra. Eti omo ba. Afeni e baba bobra.
Six-story buildings sharing a wall with a passport office in the Ridge Enclave were demolished in Wednesday morning's exercise.
Wow, Yama Messi National Cathedral. Yebubu a dime bi. Yebubu already made houses. Make us a ye. Yebubu houses for judges. A daya ni yesia. A Ghana scan ye this year and your bibotom sika. Yebubu ye free. And your man judge for Nkoda hotel. And a near to your hotel fees, you know. Ye ba besi asare da manyame. Ai, ye nya asase bia o. Ye ko pass asase aye nim se ntimi si dan no. Ye ko pass asase a dan esiso. Me trao Ghana for Jimmy and Promax na make an ase ye ko pa baby asase siso. Ye wie na bu dan ni nyina na man kofo no koda hotel. Eni ye tuaka ye wie na 58 million. Ye ni ko tu the biggest so in Adani swimming pool. Hello, I Xposed you bacho or subscribe my. Send your message and we are open for business. Open advertising open say chow cinema or video or funeral, birthday parties, is streaming it live. We are ready. Watch I say baby I will be be streaming a camera. I'm out. Me bacho yakoso is still NKB new force. Na you require Captain Smart I can't say me masheme. What's it? Only say now Ghana has access to Ghana's Consolidated Fund. Unima me catch yesika sabe. Yesika taxes are nyina ekogum. China has access. China has access. Just say our control. It means that the destiny of Ghana has been what given to China. The sovereignty of Ghana has been given to China. Osamosu obwa mundeno. Oseme anyam na mekayo. Oseme nka so no kan. Yakore video nimra.
Because for the first time in the history of this country, China will access to Ghana Consolidated Fund. Finance minister catch on sabina me kan sameboa. Sikebi e kwato Ghana. Ya account kakrakana. Aban account kese ba kuna. Sikebi e akogum no. China will access to sikene kotoma onim twon na ohwe ne de waji ECG say China nyaji ECG ewie wo monam no mu take inventory se wuni ma me ka kire mo rolling simple China nji ECG kufuo China nji ECG Mills China nji ECG Mahama China nji ECG na nado any some economic messiah no wa bon se kun edu omo so a China GECG say ya me no ka se Ghana Japan e was South Africa yeje na what kruim ye Kenya sasama
say oyema show Ghana ye mobo hey ye mobo say Nyankopon kra say osugu Ghana so. I'm telling you. Yeah, me say the independence that Ghana had was the most stupid thing we ever did. I'm telling you. Independence ye. Will be a 1 year independence since 1957. No one call IMF 18 times. 18 times this will be 3 years. Multiply 3 by 18. Not to free independence of Ghana. Nabisa said, when did we have independence? No, when did Ghana have independence? None. And now you can say China and your access to our entire funds because you have your mukasi and to ya. Now what do be? Send your Ghana, your Jimmy, your boy, your bread here. I can't you bed you. I can't you bed dinner because only you pay the phone call Brobosiana. I'm consuming all this cano. I'm call the presidency. I'm telling you. The budget of the presidency is untouchable. Because I say, and you remember the presidency, yeah, say they'll be taking fat money. They be make us say only bibi. Yeah, say bibi is service. Politics is service to the nation. Me try mra. Obi me say me and my entire ministry we won't take pay because only bibi. Answer no kababa minister. And now say kababa president. Now you'll be a what bob bread do baby. Si se mpese me bua me man. Ba Ghana de da bio. Obi fi university o sima be politics. Omo bra o sima be politics. Because we say on ye wie sika no. Anything that make us a new force. On wa bra. Wa bobra bruta. O hwe ni niam wa bobra. Enye Ghana ska fa nya hwe. O fa nya hwe. Oh, you're the first person now. I'm the president of what Japadier. When you're Japadier, natural book, no. When you're reality, a Japadier. What Bob Brabruta. Young penny for my baby and him no more bra. It's all bar. After your Baba bra. And not in a Ghana, we are where we are. Because maybe say Oko Bobosia, Odi investments. Now, one bank for so. Na etua sa aka no na sabe etua sa aka ni wia wanya mfaso ye kwaji loan na sa na tie ye nkodi wan wo bi a wakwaji loan no de akwata atoba na o say mama me fufuo na mama we how would you be able to pay? We don't work with the loan. Yes, we don't work with the loan. And then me pay on my money we obeka say time we do me ba be audit of Ghana na ye hwe bosia ya bro na ye hwe niam aye de aye Kagana kebesu. Yes. Because o she Ghana bosia ya bro any nyama ye dia ya. Jimie where the nation. Ye obibi e we kire Jimie akameka. Tinam di promise aka ho. Because o she nya ya ye sabe ya boga na bro. Ya boga na bro. Ya yenyama we meaning for political expediency nti yenim say ye boga na bro ne ye NDC ba no bompa ye MPP fairly MPP e ba no bompa NDC fairly we ye Jimia na me yin ye nyina e man ye chichiro obi a bompa so obi fairly it will be to make us nim no bompa say the Ghana should be thrown into the state of what anarchy na to kwambra Jimia nie ya Jimmy promise. Okay, see enka. Now someone who am say, oh, but you see, that's a my gist of why we're where we are. You go hear video wemra.
6-story buildings sharing a wall with a passport office in the Ridge Enclave were demolished in Wednesday morning's exercise. The buildings were constructed in 2017 and allotted to some judges and magistrates. Some of the occupants relocated after prior notice, while others are yet to leave. More than 50 structures have been earmarked to be demolished in the prime area. Scrap dealers were salvaging iron rods from the debris at the time of our visit. The National Cathedral will have an auditorium capable of seating 5,000, as well as the requisite chapels and a baptistry. There will also be a music school, an arts gallery, and a museum at the site.
Wow! Yama Messi National Cathedral. Yebubu a dime bi. Yebubu already made houses. Make us a ye. Yebubu houses for judges. A daya ni ye siya. A Ghana scan ye this year and your bibotom sika. Yebubu ye free. And your ma judge for an koda hotel. And a near to your hotel fees, you know. Ye ba be si asare da ma nyame ai ye nya asase bia o ye kopa asase a ye nim se entimi si dan no ye kopa asase a edai esiso me chiro Ghana fo jimie ni promax na make na se ye kopa ba bi asase siso ye wie na bu dan ni nyina na man kofo no koda hotel ni etuaka ye wie na 58 million ye ni ko tu the biggest so in adani swimming pool. That's how stupid Ghana is. Yes. And nothing near your book abesi say. Because and yes, sir, this I will say, I find you feel bedu ha. Bad decisions. And it's affecting our very fiber as a nation. It's time we talk about it. It's time the elders will know, sir, we know what they are doing. We know, sir, they are destroying Ghana. In the name of Ghana, no politician has Ghana at heart. And I say it on authority. No politician. They don't have Ghana at heart. I'll be able to say, or Odiomra, remember the 3 facts, but we'll say you don't have Ghana at heart. And this UMPPU, nobody. I'm telling you. It's only each other, yes. Because we're born a brave. And that's so person. Well, who said Ghana? Yeah, more Bob. I say, ye fit in Kwasum. Ye fi kwasuma ye be bre he e be kakra ye be ton nipa no wom ye be ton ye nipa no ni asa ai e ton ye wi ni asa eti na make say wan nya dwen no wan koto abapapa December 7th e wa like e ba ye team Ghana, we are doomed if we don't change our mindsets. This tribal politics, religious politics, as I say, Reverend B. Babakacha said, we don't need a Muslim leader. Are Muslims not our brothers? What are we talking about? Are we that mad? Are we that mad? You have a competence, you are talking about tribal and religion. Tribal and religion, that's what you are talking about. We want competence. I don't care if Nipani, whoever, why Apache, why they know I will vote for him. That is why the new force led by Nana Kwame Bediako, or a young man, but I'll vote for him for 44 years. Because 44 years, I want to learn from him. I want to be like him. And you see, a nation that they have, people that they look up to, a nation they grow. Ghanaians, we don't have people we look up to because we don't have anybody as of for position. It's only Nana Kwame Bediako and they all tell me said this is what I'll be able to do. When I look up to him, then I'll see say there is hope. I'm telling you, there's hope. I expose you, friend Bembros. As I keep on saying, party's funeral. If you want us to stream it live, we'll do it for you. I'm out.